How to split screen on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. In this method, you can use 3 applications at the same time. Open any app from the app drawer you want to use as a split screen. Here we open this. Now at the bottom you can see the taskbar. Long press the app you want to access as a split screen. Long press it and move. Now you can see the split screen option. Tap on the 3 dots middle to change the position. Again tap on it. Here you can move switch like this. Again tap on it. Here you can see star icon. Now tap on it. Again in taskbar you can see the long press any app you want to use. Long press it and move it to the. Now you can access 3 applications at the same time on a Samsung Z Fold 6. You can easily change it like this. Now tap on a star icon. Here you can add this to taskbar like this here. Home screen to quickly access it or apps as panel. Here we select home screen option. Now go to home screen. You can find the tap on it just and you can quickly access 3 applications at the same time. To exit it, tap on it, long press it and move it to side. Now exit the split screen on a Samsung Z Fold 6. That's it. If you like it, share it.